Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'm gonna show you how can we make an interactive animation using PowerPoint. I have shown you this animation in my previous video, and now let's draw a DC circuit as well as a switch, a actuator of a switch. So we need a power source first. So I'm gonna draw a battery. Let's say this is our battery.
One mistake I have done here, that is the long leg of LED should be positive and the small leg should be negative, but I have drawn here wrong.
Now we have to draw a actuator for switch. Same, this is the actuator of switch. So we have to rotate this and spin. See carefully, when I play the spin animation, the spin is considering here as central, and so this is a problem. You see, we need to make static here, and we have to rotate, we have to spin this portion. See here carefully, the actuator is going to connect here, and at the same time the base is becoming out from the position. So we have to fix it. This is a very easy task. Take a copy of this and paste here, and you see the size is now double. So we have to make them group first. Animation, spin animation. You see, this is the central position now, and we have to disappear here. To disappear, now we have to ungroup this. So now we have to disappear this part. For that we can do this: no outline, no outline. Okay, and we will now group this. Very good. Animation, and now spin. You see, this is the central, and this part is only moving. So now I'll position this here. Oh, sorry. Shoot our own position and off. In we need to rotate it counterclockwise and 30 degree, and now press enter and then OK. You see the 30 degree. So I'm dragging this in up. Of course, start with PBS. Add animation, spin. Okay. So for on, this should be clockwise, and here that is, and as we have taken 30 degree, so here also should be 30 degree. Start with PBS, and here we have to add appear. Okay, appear for appear for start with PBS, appear when the button is on, and again disappear when that is off, and start with PBS. Select pen,
Did you notice here before the disconnection of actuator, the LED is being off, and before connect the actuator, the LED is being off, which is not correct. So let's make it correct.
now let's see how it looks like. A little bit more. I think it's okay now. And for this, This is perfect, I think. Let's play it again. This was all about this video. I think you like this video. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.